Hi there and welcome back to my cooking channel on YouTube. Today I'm so excited to share with you a delicious recipe for white chocolate and pistachio cookies. If you love sweet treats like me, you won't want to miss this one. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. To make beurre noisette, I'm gonna start with melting butter over medium heat until it foams. The water in the butter evaporates and the milk solids start to brown and caramelize. It takes a few minutes. Mix white and brown sugar in a bowl and then add the brown butter. I wish you were here, guys. The butter smells so good. You can replace regular butter with beurre noisette in any sweet recipes as it gives a rich and nutty flavor to your cakes and cookies. It's time to add the rest of the ingredients. Add the egg, salt, baking soda and vanilla extract into the sugar mixture and mix them together. Next, add flour and pistachio meal into the mixture. Chop white chocolate and pistachio roughly and then add them into the cookie dough. Let the dough rest in the fridge for 15 minutes. I'm gonna make 8 cookies, each weighing approximately 42 grams. Shape them into balls and place them on baking trays lined with parchment paper. Bake them in a preheated oven at 150 Celsius for about 12 minutes. Do not overbake the cookies. After the baking process, the center of the cookies should be soft. It's time to try, guys. So delicious.